So I'm pulling it back out. That was 113 feet out. Couldn't get to the main line because there's a lot of debris that needs to be hydrojetted. That's what I recommend doing. So it cleans the line that way. There's no debris left, no scale buildup. It gets rid of the scale also. Other than that, the drain looks good though. Very long line.
Was that the clean out there?
Oh yeah, and they also have a clean out approximately 35 feet out. There's a clean out in the yard somewhere. So that's where that clean out is, that little spot, the white spot. PVC clean out. So that's a good thing. They could get it clean through there or hydrojetted through there. If it goes both ways, it should be able to go both directions. No offsets to worry about, or no breakages, no roots either, just a small, tiny root growth right there, but nothing other than that. So hydrojetting will take care of all that. So that's what I recommend doing. Okay, shut this off.